Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by rinsing and degreasing. Run warm water and use a drop of mild detergent to remove oils. Once done, inspect for stains or heat tint so you know what to target. Make a paste with baking soda and a little water for light scratches. Keep white vinegar ready for mineral spots. Make sure to work on a flat surface with good light and use a microfiber towel so you don't introduce new scratches. You'll polish along the metal grain, not across it, because that prevents new cross scratches. After applying baking soda paste, rub gently in short strokes. Apply progressively more pressure only if the scratch resists. For mineral deposits, spray white vinegar, let it fizz for 1 to 2 minutes, then wipe and rinse. For heavier tarnish, use a small amount of non-abrasive commercial polish or 3% hydrogen peroxide on a cloth. Buff until the metal reflects light evenly. You'll finish by rinsing completely and drying immediately to avoid new watermarks, and then buff with a clean microfiber cloth in small circles to lift a mirror sheen. Once buffed, apply a very thin coat of mineral oil if you want fingerprint resistance and longer protection. Wipe off excess. If you see stubborn hazing, check for remaining cleaning agents or dried mineral residue. Re-clean with vinegar and rebuff. If deep scratches remain, consider professional refinishing rather than more aggressive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.